Welcome to AAA Profit Analytics weekly market view dated 12th September. Today we will cover the week starting from 13th to 17th September. Let's start with Nifty's overview chart. Nifty made a lifetime high of 17,436 last week, and Nifty's weekly low was at 17,254 last week. After a huge rally of 618 points in previous week, Nifty just consolidated and made a small range of 182 points, and Nifty closed at 17,369 with just 45 points upward movement. Moving on to Nifty Mid Cap 100 Index, Nifty Mid Cap after consolidation in the month of August again continued the uptrend and made a new lifetime high at 29,365 last week and closed very near to that at 29,341. A crisis may throw a lot of investment opportunities before investors. Investing in a crisis, it's a high risk, high reward strategy. We can follow this strategy, and most of the successful investors follow this strategy during a crisis. Let's see this with an example. Actually, during March 2020, due to COVID, the stock market crashed towards 7,511. And on 23rd March, we recommended a swing delivery recommendation in Tata Chemicals at 225 with target 335. And after that, the stock moved steadily towards 800 level. Actually, we moved more than 48% profit in this. We are watching now Tata Chemicals chart. We have marked that level when in the month of March, stock was trading near 330. And after that, the stock crashed along with the market crash to 197 level, and we entered in the stock at 225, and you can see we booked profit at 335 in a very short period. After that, the stock moved almost 296% towards to touch 891 level. This is a clear example of utilizing a crisis in stock market. Again, I want to recall the controversy regarding Maggi noodles of Nestle India happened in the year of 2015, where the Maggi noodles was declared unsafe for human consumption in laboratory tests. Believe me, the news spread like forest fire, and the stock crashed from 7,000 level to 5,000 level. Let's watch the stock of Nestle India. The stock was trading near 7,505 level in March 2015, and after the news, the stock crashed towards 4,981 level in February 2016. After that, after when the lab tests were cleared by Nestle India, stock started moving up, and in March 2018, the stock came back to 8,250 level, and in March 2020, the stock crossed 16,835 level, and last week in September 2021, stock touched 20,530 level, and it was a huge movement of 312% in last 5 years in Nestle India. This is a clear example of investment during a crisis period in a good stock. Our most popular method of investing is swing delivery recommendation, which is a method to book profit in short-term investments. Let's watch the list of short-term investments in which we booked profit in last 6 months. In 2020, we booked a profit in 25 stocks in AAA swing delivery recommendations. Recently, we booked profit in Aster Medicity. You can watch, we recommended the stock on 23rd August below 200 level, and we booked profit on 2nd September at 235, which was more than 17.5% profit in Aster Medicity. Actually, if you consider a case study of Aster Medicity, and if you invest 2 lakhs at 200 level, you can buy 1,000 quantity of Aster Medicity, and if you are selling the stock at 235 level, you can make a profit of 35,000, which is 17.5% profit in just 10 days. If you annualize the profit, it is 638% profit in Aster Medicity. Our another method of booking profit is wealth builder pack, and which we recommend one stock every month with more than 40 to 60% target. We are watching now Capley points chart. which was recommended on 6th May at 535 level. The stock reached our target of 850 and we booked more than 58% profit in Capley Point. If you consider a case study of Capley Point, and if you invest 2 lakhs in Capley Point at 535, you can buy 373 quantity, and if you book profit at 850, you will be making profit of 1,17,050, which is 58% profit in just 3 months. Let's watch a recorded video of Capley Point's movement from 535 to 850 level. We recommended the stock on 6th May at 535 level. After a short period of consolidation below 535, the stock started moving up, and the stock reached our target of 850 within just 3 months. Once it crossed our target of 850, it moved up to 1034 level. After achieving our target, the stock went through a correction in the month of August. However, the stock again came back to a bullish trend last week, and the stock went up almost 12% on last Thursday. We can watch the stock touching our target of 850 in the chart. Immediately after touching our target of 850, the stock went on to make a new lifetime high at 1034. We are watching now a correction after touching our target towards 720 level, and after that the stock again moved up, and last week the stock closed near 900 above 900 level with a 12% gain. Moving on to foreign institutions provisional cash segment data. Last week, 4 institutions sold equity worth 345.3 crores. At the same time, domestic institutions were heavy buyers and they bought 1,784.1 crores equity last week. Let's move on to Nifty Analysis. We are watching now Nifty's trading pattern last week. Nifty closed on 3rd September at 17,323. On Monday, Nifty moved up 54 points. On Tuesday, Nifty went down 15 points. On Wednesday, market again went down 8 points, and on Thursday, market closed with the 15 points gain. Nifty is, she made a new lifetime high on Tuesday at 17,436. Nifty closed at 17,369 with just 45 points gains last week. Let's move on to Nifty's monthly chart. After a huge rally of 1,369 points in the month of August, Nifty added another 237 points in the month of September. Nifty is trading with 3,387 points gain in the year of 2021. Let's watch Nifty's weekly chart. Nifty's 200 DMA is at 15,056, 100 DMA is at 15,781, 50 DMA is at 16,315, 20 DMA is at 16,917. Let's watch Nifty's major support resistance levels. If Nifty move about 17,270 level, Nifty's resistance will be 17,452, 17,634, 18,025. If Nifty moved below 17,270 level, Nifty support levels will be at 17,087, 16,706, 16,260 and 15,387. When we fix a trading range for Nifty for the next week, Nifty's upper range will be at 17,634 and lower range will be at 17,087 with pivot point at 17,270. Moving on to investment strategies of the next week, we are watching Bharati Airtel, which was one of our earlier stock of the week recommendation. We recommended the stock at 637 level for a target of 700. Last week the stock made a high of 688 and closed very near to that at 686. We can expect the target of 700 in the next week, and all investors can book profit at 700 level. Our last week's stock of the week was Prestige Estates, which achieved our target on Monday itself. We recommended stock at 422 with the target of 465. Last week on Monday, the stock made a high of 501 and the stock went up nearly 17% on Monday itself. Most of our viewers got very good profit in Prestige Estate last week. Philatex India is a good company in the textile sector, which we recommended on 8th August at 104 level for a target of 122. In the month of August, the stock went through a correction along with the correction in the mid-cap stocks. Actually, we recommended the stock when the company declared a net profit of 52.14 crores in June 21 against loss of 27.9 crores in June 20. When a company is making a turnaround like this, we like such companies and we present such companies before you for investment. And whenever the market goes through a correction period, the stock may also go through a correction. But when the market moves up, this kind of fundamentally good companies making good performance will move up very fast. The company moved up last week, came back to the stock went through a correction to up to 85 level, but stock came back to 108 level in last week. Most of our clients are in profit now. You can hold the stock for a target of 122 level. Let's watch a recorded video of Philatex India when the stock moved down and came back to this level. Let's watch a recorded video. We recommended the stock on 8th August when the stock made a movement above 100 and our recommendation was at 104. After that, we went through a correction phase in mid-cap stocks in the month of August. The stock also corrected along with the market and the stock even came down up to 85 level. Those who invested during this correction period also made huge profit, and last week the stock made a comeback above 100 level and the stock moved above 108 and crossed at 106 level. I am expecting the stock Philatex India to move towards 122 in coming days. You can book profit when the stock touch 122 level. You can see the stock moving back to 100 level on a single day, that's on Thursday. Thursday, stock made a high of 108 level. You can hold the stock up to 122 level now. Moving on to our stock of the week. Our stock of the week is Rain Industries. Rain Industries closed at 243 level and we are expecting the stock to move towards 310 level in a short period. Actually, the company declared a profit of 235.29 crores in June 21. Against just 26.5 crores profit in June 20. Actually, the company reported a profit of increase in profit of 983%. So we are expecting Rain Industries company, a good company from chemical sector, to perform well in coming days. Finally, let's check stocks with technical breakout. These stocks are IRCTC, Polycab, Voltas, Prestige Estates and APL Apollo. All the stocks you may consider for investment for a short-term profit of 5% from Thursday's closing price. All the stocks we discussed in this videos are for investments. Thank you.